Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your study at your home. Students, my name is Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar. Students, in the previous video lecture, we have discussed about English grammar, chapter number 5 and 6. But in this video lecture, we are going to discuss English literature, chapter number 2, which name is A Light for the Palace Fire. Students, this is a story about a girl whose selfless love gave many praises into her life. So students, let's start. A long time ago, there was a huge palace at the top of a hill. A long time ago, students, there was a huge palace. Students, do you know what is palace? A palace is a place where king, queen, their ministers, guards, everyone lived. There was a huge palace at the top of a hill. Okay, there was a hill, and at the top of the hill there was a palace of a king. A fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. There was a fire in the palace which was always kept burning. Okay, that fire was the most useful fire in the palace. This fire was very important for the palace. Why? Because this fire kept the whole palace warm. Okay, there was a king, एक राजा है, उसका एक पैलेस है जो कि एट द टॉप ऑफ अ हिल, जो कि एक हिल के टॉप पर है. ओके, और इस पैलेस में एक फायर जो हमेशा जलती रहती है और एंड केप्ट इट वार्म, और इस पैलेस को हमेशा गर्म रखती है. It was the most useful fire. Why? Because it kept warm the whole palace. Now, one day the fire suddenly stopped burning and no one was able to light it again. Friends, what happened one day? One day the fire suddenly stopped. The fire which was always burning, that fire suddenly stopped burning, and no one was able to light it again. No person of the palace was able to light it again. All person of the palace were unable to light it again. People said that the fire had died. Why? Because the people in the palace were always quarreling. Friends, can you tell me the meaning of quarreling? Yes, the meaning of quarreling is fighting. To fight. Okay. What did the people say? People said that the fire had died. The fire had stopped. Why? Because the people in the palace were always quarreling, were always fighting to each other. एक दूसरे से हमेशा लड़ते रहते थे. That's why the fire stopped burning. Others said that it had gone out because the winter that year was very cold. Other people, what was the thesis of, what was the idea of other people? Other people said that it had gone out. The fire had stopped. Why? Because the winter of that year, the winter season of that year, जो उस साल जो ठंड पड़ रही थी, that winter was very cold. वो बहुत ही cold थी, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ रही थी. That's why the fire stopped burning. So everyone in the palace was freezing and longed for the fire to burn. Everyone in the palace, जो भी लोग थे पैलेस में, they all were freezing. वो सारे freeze हो रहे थे, वो जम रहे थे. Why? Because of the coldness. ज़्यादा ठंड होने की वजह से the people of the whole palace were freezing and they longed for. They longed for means आपको दिया गया है meaning. What is the meaning of longed for? Longed for means wished for. Okay, the people or the palace wished for the fire to burn it. Okay, everyone in the palace was freezing. All the people of the palace were freezing. जम रहे थे वो लोग, उनको बहुत ठंड लग रही थी. And they hoped for the fire, ताकि उन्हें फायर मिल सके और इन्हें ठंड से बच सकें. They longed for the fire to burn it. Then the king ordered his messenger to go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some amber to bring back to the palace. The king ordered the messenger. What was the order of king? The order of the king was that to go down the hill. Okay, उसने अपने मैसेंजर को ऑर्डर दिया to go down the hill road, and if you see fire burning in a house, okay, if he saw any house in which a fire was burning, he asked for some amber. Amber means burning coal. He asked him for some burning coal to bring back to the palace. Maybe we can light a fire in this way, so that they can fire in this way. Okay, the messenger had to bring any amber back to the palace so that they can burn fire again. Okay, now next is a light for the palace fire. He called as he went. Okay, a light for the palace, that by bringing back the amber to the palace, they will be able to make fire in the palace. Okay, so this was a story of king and also a girl. We will read about the girl in the next video lecture. Till then, you will revise this chapter at your home and make practice again and again. Thank you, students.